Father, there is no more water for us to drink.
Son, if you go to the village to fetch water, it will take a lot of time.
What to do now?
We have to look around to get water. So let's go. Son, that's a well.
How strange, Father. I didn't think there would be a well here.
This well was dedicated to travelers by Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. What a good deed Imam Ali has done. Imam Ali used to quench the thirst of travelers at this place, and his son Imam Hussain was martyred thirsty.
Father, I want to know about the martyrdom of Imam Hussain. Why were they martyred thirsty?
Many people in Kufa wrote letters to the Imam asking him to come to Kufa and guide the people there. Imam accepted their request and left for Kufa with his family. On the way to Kufa, Yazid's army stopped them and put these demands that either swear allegiance to Yazid or get ready for war. The Imam objected to this and said that he would never swear allegiance to Yazid. Yazid's army commander said, then get ready for war.
The people of Kufa did not support the Imam, Father?
No. He did not come to the aid of Imam, and Imam Hussain was left alone in Karbala. The condition of the children and women along with Imam was getting worse with thirst, so Hazrat Abbas decided to seek permission from the Imam to fetch water.
Who was the flag bearer of Imam's army, Father?
The flag bearer was the brother of Imam, the Moon of Bani Hashim. Abbas, despite being very thirsty, did not put water in his mouth, filled his water bag and left for the tents.
So could he deliver the water to the women and children in the tents?
No, son. Yazid army blocked his way and did not allow the water to reach the tents.
So did they martyr Abbas?
Yes, they martyred Hazrat Abbas on the way. Imam Hussain came to his brother and said,
"Brother, you have reached martyrdom."
After that, Imam started preparing to be martyred. His infant son and brother had been martyred along with others. Yazid's army attacked and martyred the thirsty Imam's companions. Children, we no longer have water available for us to drink, mothers tell their children. Imam Hussain addressed them and said,
"I am fighting this war for the sake of Islam and the Messenger of God, for the sake of commanding the good and forbidding the evil, not to establish my power and government."
Then the Yazid's army attacked.
Attack! Attack! Everyone with arrows!
The children of Bani Hashim came out of the tents and bravely fought the enemies and became martyrs one after another. When all were martyred, the Imam himself entered the field to fight the enemies. The enemy soldiers who could not resist the power of Imam Hussain were attacking with swords. One of Yazid's soldiers shouted, "Shoot the arrows at Hussain."
So did the archers martyr Imam?
Son, they tore Imam's body to pieces with arrows.
Who martyred Imam? Father, who martyred the Imam?
Shimr. May Allah curse him. Shimr ibn Zal-Jawshan came near to the Imam, who was prostration, and martyred him on the 10th of Muharram 61 AH.